Hi, this is Nathaniel, and we're gonna fix a garage door. Our garage door came off the tracks, if you can see. That's all messed up there. And I tried to do one side. When I did one side, the other side came off. So instead, what I gotta do is I'm gonna prop up the garage door. Just shove the mattress box spring underneath there. And then you gotta unwrap this from here. Coil it nicely around that, and then there's a little pin at the end of this that you got to hook it onto. I'm gonna try and do that for both. Here's a little update. I got that one side done. You got it wrapped around I got it wrapped around the coil. I'm trying to get a better look at it. You try to get it lined up. There are little grooves in there to get the wire on, and then it kind of comes down and hooks onto this little. See if I can get a not a very good one, but there's a little pin there that you put it around. All right, so I finally got that one on. This is from the inside. It's hooked on, and the end result is a garage door that shuts, and it should open just fine. Pardon the mattress that's still there because she's not to hold it up a little bit.
And I helped.
Yep. Thanks, Nathaniel. Thanks for fixing the garage. This has been Nathaniel's Fix It channel. Bye.